Hi everyone, it's Miss Regular. This is my third take, but I'm going to nail it. I'm here to quickly explain to you some of the additional materials that I've asked you guys to collect for science and to let you know why. So the biggest part of science that is missing is really hands-on experiences. So with this in mind, knowing that eventually when we go back in school, it will still be hybrid, I wanted to put together some supplies that all the students can have at home so that we can kind of work on science together. With that being said, every student should have gotten a science bag like this. First item I asked you to get was a plastic bin. This is because we're going to have students put all of the materials in this bin so that they no longer live in the bag, right? This is just for transporting. I also asked you guys to get either like a cookie sheet, an old one you have, or a dish pan. All of these supplies, the best place to get them is at like Dollar Tree or the 99-cent store because they have them, okay? Just something with a lid on it for experiments. I also asked for you guys to get a Sharpie. We're going to be labeling everything in the bins, the materials, and plastic cups. It's really important that these are clear plastic cups so students can observe through them. Another material I asked you guys if you have them are safety goggles. In school, we have goggles and a goggle cleaner, just because it's good practice in case materials get in your eyes to have them available. I think I have a pair here. Not sure. Aha, I do. It can be just regular goggles, something over your eyes, but it's just a good practice, right? We want to protect our eyes. None of the materials we are using are hazardous, but it's good practice. So I'm going to angle the camera down to show exactly how we're going to put these together. So as adults, you have a better idea of what we're talking about. So the plastic bin will be used to keep materials in. If you have additional cups, you can put them here. This way students will be able to see and access these materials, and the additional materials you have, you can add as well. So you can see these roughly fit in there, this size bin, right? So again, 99-cent store, great place. This will always kind of stay over here. The Sharpie, we're going to be labeling everything, so we're going to label it. We have these because spills happen. So when we're doing something in science, I will be having the kids work in here just to protect from, oh, it fell over. Don't worry, it's in here. The only other material they'll be getting is water. This is why I feel like this is a better kind of thing to use, because even when a lab is over, we're going to give cleanup time, but I can even say, okay, just take this as it is, and you can rinse it off later. They could take it, put it off to the side, get back into math. Again, I want the students to be engaged, but also have just a really easy way to keep their materials organized. That's about it. Can't wait to start doing more hands-on observations for students to experience science. And the Kool-Aid. It's a really fun experiment on concentration that kids will be able to do. So please, if you can, get red or blue Kool-Aid for them, and we'll do that as well. That's it. See you guys soon. Happy New Year.